In the rapidly evolving landscape of cloud architecture and enterprise automation, choosing the right artificial intelligence stack is no longer an option. It is the fundamental driver of productivity and profit. Welcome back to XStack AI. I'm Devanshu Saini, and today we are breaking down the top 5 cutting-edge tools forming the definitive research, voice, and orchestration layer for founders, builders, and developers. If you want a lean, highly efficient digital ecosystem, these 5 frameworks will completely change how you handle complex workflows. Let us start with the research and ideation layer, spearheaded by Perplexity AI, the ultimate Google killer. Traditional search engines force you to waste valuable engineering hours, digging through endless blue links, SEO spam, and fragmented blogs. Perplexity entirely shifts this paradigm by instantly serving synthesized, web-cited answers compiled directly from authoritative sources. Its most powerful feature is Spaces. This tool allows you to build highly specialized, ring-fence research hubs tailored to a specific technical niche, target codebase, or competitor dataset. By constraining the AI's boundaries to these curated hubs, you eliminate hallucination, streamline competitive intelligence, and extract precise technical data within seconds. Next is Google's NotebookLM, a standalone document assistant that redefines information ingestion. Instead of drowning in hundreds of pages of raw PDFs, dense project transcripts, or unorganized meeting notes, you can upload them directly into NotebookLM. It instantly parses your unstructured data, maps out the core concepts, and generates a highly engaging, two-host, podcast-style audio overview. This feature is a massive accelerator for complex engineering operations. It effortlessly transforms dense technical documentation and architecture blueprints into highly digestible audio scripts, allowing your team to master complex system updates while on the move. For voice infrastructure, ElevenLabs remains the absolute gold standard for production-grade voice synthesis. While basic text-to-speech models sound robotic and monotone, ElevenLabs injects deep emotional nuance, hyper-realistic pacing, and contextual breathing into every word. Their new ElevenLabs agents feature elevates this technology to an enterprise-grade, operational level. You can now configure and deploy interactive, multilingual voice assistants that sound 100% indistinguishable from real humans. These agents manage real-time client interactions, tech support pipelines, and customer operations seamlessly, giving you global scale with zero hardware overhead. To stitch these powerful layers together, we use N8N, the premier node-based automation platform designed for modern engineering. Unlike traditional trigger action tools that break under complex logical branches, N8N provides a highly visual, code-native workspace built to handle intricate data loops, complex logic, and deep API interactions. It serves as the ultimate orchestrator for your AI stack. With N8N, you can easily chain your Perplexity research hubs, connect your document data streams from NotebookLM and trigger real-time ElevenLabs voice agents, creating a completely automated, self-sustaining business pipeline without writing a single line of back-end glue code. Finally, we centralize this operational intelligence inside Notion, the ultimate system of record and collaboration canvas for modern tech teams. Notion has evolved far beyond a basic text editor. It functions as a highly customizable workspace where you can programmatically map your entire cloud architecture, log database relationships, and organize project deliverables. By utilizing its advanced databases and AI integrations, Notion acts as the central brain where the outputs of your research pipelines, automation loops, and tech stack frameworks are stored, tracked, and scaled for maximum corporate clarity.